Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a duo partner in Dress and Press game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Dress and Press game on Roblox. And if you want to get a partner for a duo, you're going to go to this menu, select this menu, and you'll see the duo option. Simply tap on that, and then here you'll be able to pick your duo. And it doesn't need to be your friend. You can pick a random player from here as long as you are in the same server with the players. Okay, and you just need to click on invite to send the duo request to the player, and you'll be duo after the player um accept your invitation. So after you send the duo request, just wait for the confirmation from the player, and you'll be able to do the duo with another player. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get a duo partner in Trust and Press game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.